Hello students, so this is part 5th. Here I am covering first chapter of your book, that is Monday Morning Blues. Students, as in previous video already I have told you that here aunt came to know that Tom is making excuse and he was telling a lie that his toe is paining, that his toe was paining. So now what Tom did here? He started to make another excuses, and what excuse he gave to aunt? That his tooth is paining. Okay, so what the aunt says to her, to him, aunt ने यहाँ पर क्या कहा? तब Tom ने excuse दिया that my tooth is paining, it's paining so much. She says, open your mouth and let me see, said his aunt. कि जरा अपना मुंह खोलो and I will see that what is happening with your tooth. Yes, it's loose, all right, but you are not going to die because of that. Mary, get me silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen. See here what aunt is saying here, that okay, I found that मैंने देख लिया that your tooth is loose little bit, but you are not going to die because of that. But तुम मरोगे नहीं इसकी वजह से. Don't say such kind of words that I am going to die. Okay, so here aunt ordered to Mary, get me a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen. कि मेरे को thread दे दीजिए, मेरे को scissor दे दीजिए and the chunk of fire out of the kitchen. I want that. So now what aunt is going to do here? Let's see. Tom said, oh please auntie, don't pull it out. इसको बाहर मत निकाल देना आप खींच कर. It doesn't hurt me anymore. अब मेरे को पेन नहीं हो रहा टूथ, मतलब मेरा पेन बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहा. So again we can see here that Tom here was making excuses, और अचानक से when aunt was ready to pull out his tooth, he got afraid and he says that, oh my tooth is not paining now. अचानक से दर्द उसका पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. So he was only making excuses. Please don't auntie, please don't do this, don't pull my tooth. I don't want to stay home from school. मैं घर नहीं रुकूंगा, मैं स्कूल चला जाऊंगा, but please don't pull my tooth. Oh, you do, don't you? So all this drama was because you thought you would get to stay home from school and so fishing. So here now aunt is saying here, so you was creating drama only so that you can stay home from school and you can go for fishing. Tom, I love you so much, but I am very unhappy with you. So what aunt is saying to Tom here, that Tom, I love you so much, but I am unhappy with you. Why she was unhappy with Tom? You seem to try every way you can break my old heart with your outrageousness. Outrageousness means shocking behavior. कि जिस तरह से आज तुमने मेरे को इस तरह से शॉक कर दिया that you are going to die, your toe is paining, then your tooth is paining. In this way you are shocking me, you are giving me such kind of news. Okay, so my old heart can break. तो यहाँ पर aunt what she is saying that don't do such kind of things. Okay, come on the next paragraph. By this time the dental instruments were ready. The old lady fastened one end of the silk thread to Tom's tooth with a loop and tied the other to the bedpost. Then she seized the chunk of the fire and suddenly thrust it almost into the boy's face. The tooth hung dangling in the bedpost now. So at last what aunt did? Aunt pull out his tooth, and that tooth hung dangling on the bedpost. उसने तब अचानक से आंट ने वो उसका टूथ को खींचा that was hanging on the bedpost. So this was all about this chapter, that we came to know from this chapter that how Tom used to make excuses that he don't want to go to school and only he like fishing and he wants to go for fishing. But here aunt was so clever, she was so smart that she came to know that here Tom was making excuses only. So with this we came to an end of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.